So we will look at this question, running sum of 1D array, and the question is, given an array nums, we define a running sum of an array as running sum I that's equal to sum nums 0 nums I, return the running sum of nums. And then here we have an input nums that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and we would output 1, 3, 6, and 10. And I think they have explained it pretty well here. That running sum is obtained as follows. We have 1 and then 1 plus 2, that would be 3. So we have 3 right here. And then we have 1 plus 2 plus 3, which are all the elements. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 would be 6, which is this right here. And then we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, all of the elements right here. And when we add those, we get 10. So what we would pretty much would be doing is that each element that would get appended to the output array would be sum of all the previous elements plus the current element. So here we will have our output array, and we will initialize and declare that and set that equal to a list. And then we will have a variable called previous sum. And what this previous sum would do is it would like add up all of the elements that we come across and then store that. So now we will traverse through the nums list, and we will do for num and nums, and then we will do previous sum plus equals num, and plus equals, this is the same thing as doing previous sum plus num. You can do either or, and then here we will do output dot append, and then we will do previous sum, and then we can just return the output. And this looks good, and this also looks good. So in terms of space and time complexity, we are looking at on space complexity because we are only storing as many elements as there are in the nums list. As you can see that we have nums 1, 2, 3, 4, and the output also has 4 elements. And in terms of time complexity, we are also looking at one. We just have this one for loop, and we just traverse through each and every element once and then store those in the output list or array. Hope this was helpful.